Welcome back everyone, and thank you so much for commenting how helpful these videos have been to you people. And today we will start with group 2 phonic sounds from Jolly Phonics. Let's start off. It's k, e, h, r, m, d. Let's look at some words now. Cap, ache, pick, hen, ape, hip, red, as in men, men, dad. Now you can mix group 1 and group 2 sounds and try to make some words. Try to use them in sentences as well, and remember to share it in the comment. We would love to see them. And do keep practicing these sounds and the words in sentences. Till we meet next time. Bye.